welcome to RSTV's special series Fighting COVID-19, where we'll apprise you about all major aspects of battle against coronavirus to keep you safe, informed and updated. Today, viewers, we'll talk about different zones, red, orange and green zone. So in order to ensure maximum containment of coronavirus during the lockdown period, the Union Health Ministry has asked states to classify districts into hotspots, non-hotspots and green zones. So effectively, India will have three categories: hotspot districts, non-hotspot districts but where cases are being reported, and also the green zone districts in the period of the lockdown. Now let's understand what are red, orange and green zones. Well, the regions with most number of cases or coronavirus hotspots are categorized as red zones. Non-hotspots or orange zones are those districts where less number of cases are found. The districts where no case has been found is the green zone. Now let's dive deeper. In the red zone areas, a door-to-door screening is conducted in every household to search for suspected patients. People in the area showing symptoms of coronavirus cough and fever are tested for COVID-19. The areas within the district are completely sealed so that there is no movement within the sealed areas. Some buffer zones are also created near the sealed area where only emergency movements are allowed. Essential goods are delivered to the doorstep of every individual. An area is also classified into a red zone after a maximum number of coronavirus cases have been reported from that particular area. Moving on, the orange zone is the area where number of coronavirus cases reported fall within the range of 1 or 2. The restrictions in the orange zone are not as strict as in the red zone. And lastly, a green zone is an area where number of coronavirus cases have not been reported. In these areas, the centre is making all efforts to lift certain lockdown restrictions in the area in the coming weeks, provided that no new cases are reported in that particular area. The districts in the red zone can become orange zone if no new cases reported in the last 14 days, while the orange zone can be converted into the green zone if no case is reported in the last 14 days. Well, that's all I had for you right now. Take care and stay safe.